Alright, we are going to reflect a shape. I'm going to use a triangle, and we are going to reflect it over the y-axis. So I have to start by building my shape. I'm going to go up to the point A, select point A. I'm going to make a triangle, so I'm going to put a point at -2, 4. I'll put another point at -6, 3, and I will put my third point at -3, 1. In order to make those 3 dots become one triangle, I go up and select the polygon. I'll click on A, and then on B, and then on C. At this point, I've connected all 3 dots, but there's no black line on this side, so it's not officially a triangle. I have to go back to point A and connect that. Next, I have to make the line that I want to reflect over. So I'm going to use the y-axis as my line. Right now, I don't have a line there. I have to create one. I'm going back to point A, clicking on one point on the y-axis. I'll click on 0, 5. Another point on the y-axis, I'll click on 0, -4. I have 2 points, so I'll go up and choose the line through 2 points icon. Click on point D, and right now, see how the line can go anywhere. I'll select point E, and notice the y-axis is a little darker now. It has an arrow that shows that it continues on, and that's my line. Now I want to reflect it. I need to figure out how far away each of my points is from my line of reflection. The easiest way is just to count straight along. So I'm going to go back up and select a point, because I'm going to want to put a point in when I find where A prime should go. So I'm starting at A and following straight over to the line. 1 spot, 2 spots. So I'm 2 units away from the line. I'm going to continue on in a straight line, 2 more units away. 1, 2, put A prime. Now A prime for me ended up being point F because it's the 6th point I've created. We'll be checking to see if it's the right one in a moment. I'm going to go to the next point on my triangle, point B. I'm going to follow it along. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to get to my line of reflection. So I'll continue on 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's my new point. Point G. My final point on my triangle, point C. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm at the line of reflection. 1, 2, 3 as I continue on. And I have my third point, point H. Now to make that a triangle, going up to my triangle icon, I'll connect those 3 points. And now I have a triangle. Now I'm going to verify that I did this correctly. And in order to do that, I'm going to use the option to reflect an object about a line. That's the icon here that has the blue dot, the red dot, and the line between them. It says select an object to reflect and then the line of reflection. So I want to reflect my original triangle, triangle ABC. I click on that. I want to reflect it over the y-axis, so I click on that line. And as I do that, watch what happens. Notice here, it's kind of hard to read because it overlapped, but it is exactly where I had the dots. That says A prime. A prime is A mirrored over D, B prime, and C prime. So I was able to reflect it correctly over the y-axis.